I opened these pellets already. I'm gonna wear my gloves here, and actually I'm wearing the mask. Okay guys, bear with me, I put the gloves. This is not the proper gloves, but I like it because it's nice and thick in my hand. That's the gloves that you wash in the dishwashing plate. Here. Oh, that's our manure. Check your chicken manure. It's strong enough. Yeah, that's it guys. And then I'm excited to use this in the plants today. There we go. Wash it. Just outside so I can use it again. I don't wash it inside now. Anyway, that's our manure. Whew, very strong. That's why I put plastic on this. I know they needed something to bake, but I don't want to smell in the house. So maybe I put it somewhere away from the house. We'll see. And I got still the Osmocot for seedlings. We bought 2 of this. They are free. I like this better than my pot. It's free guys. That's from Broccoli Vegetables. Can't find this anywhere else in the shop. You just have to ask them if they have it. So I only need 2. Actually this is very high. So I probably put half on it. We'll see. Then I put the seedlings for my onions. Show you the seedlings of onions here. See, it's been a while that I didn't look after them. Busy. So in turn yellow, I removed the yellow on the top, see? Meaning they needed transfer guys. That's why I had this styrofoam instead of me buying the expensive pots. Why not use styrofoam anyway? And if it's look ugly, I just hide it a little bit there. It's fine. Nothing wrong with that. And you can have it really cheap too. I don't know if it's corn or just weed. This is my dill. I really love dill. And look at this. I don't know why it turned yellow. Too hot. Anyway, it's come back because it's raining a bit. Here is another vegetable seedlings that came from my seeds. I planted from the seeds. So it really indicates that she wanted to grow separate each other so it got more space. Below each other. They didn't like too close. Here's another with onions. Yeah. And like 2 weeks old. What is this? Purple eggplant. Oh, okay, she's big now. So that indicates she wanted another separate one. So they're getting growing nicely. So I'm gonna transfer it. Add it today. So because if I gotta go tomorrow, I can't look after them. So transfer it when it's nice. There's another one like this. You should look bigger than this, like the other one that bunnies run out. Not really big kilos. This is only, how many kilos is this? 50 liters only, not kilos. And the kind of fertilizer on this one, like to grow your plants or flowers, just to enhance for 1 year. Like this, like a power seed to both pots and planters. One of the really good for it boosted with the seaweed. Yeah, this one. Yeah, similar with that. You put that one as well. I'll show you this. Actually, this one is really good. Really good, this one. See? Yeah. But since I got manure, I don't need it for now. I'm just using it only a little bit for doing the new seedlings. Now I got manure. This one probably we're gonna leave it for a while. And this, our boss sisal. This one is liquid palm, and you have to put this in the container, like distilled water, 5 liters or so, or you get that pitcher for it, and you have to put this like that. In 5 liters, I put at least less than a cup for this, and then dissolve it with water. It's Australian. It's really good for this local seaweed solution. They're very, very nice for your environment and very good for your plants as well. See, enhances the root growth, helps maintain with the pest or heat, and also they are resilient. So stimulate also for your flowering and fruiting. Yeah, it's very natural seaweed solution. Yeah, they're good, enhancing for plants to grow really good, and it's sweeter. And instructions here how to use them. So anyway, I used that for for last time. This time I'm not gonna use it for now. Let's leave it here. I need to water here now. That's what happens if you do gardening. You're gonna get more of this when the banana is available on weekends. Very fun. So reserved to Atlas. And this dynamic lifter, they're not too bad, like more than $20. Yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I'm gonna show you later on what I did. I think I'm gonna remove the 2 or 3 zucchinis from the pot, and probably I put this in to the ground next to the bananas there, because I needed some pot. I don't want to buy too much pot and then parading all this yard in the pots. So I'm just gonna remove 2 or 3 zucchinis from the pot. They are really yellowing. I mean, the leaves are yellowing, indicate that they needed that fertilizer. Yeah, nitrogen to boost the leaves to green and back to healthy life. Because the zucchini, they're really robust, really grow really big. So therefore, they need a lot of fertilizer on them. So yeah, the choke manure is good for that. Cow manure, they are the nice one. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you later on what I did with my zucchini. Right in the, probably I put it next each other there with banana, really big distances, so you can grow bigger like the other one. Yeah, I show you. Abangan. Alright guys, to be continued for this. Gonna show you and then gonna work on this. Actually, this one, vegetables or eggplant I put in this. It's very deep though. I just wish this would be like that, so I don't use too much soil. Anyhow, you can't complain much because that's free and I love them. I'll make some more for that. For my love after work, he'll do it for me. I don't know how I can do that too, but I'll let him do it anyway. Man's job. I can do it as well, you know. Put the hole in here, use for his electric thing, and voila. Anyway, I'm just gonna go put them on this. I got like this, but I don't need this. This is full. You have to remove this one by one, but it's not, and mix it with the soil. Yes, to retain a little bit more moisture, especially in this coming summer now. See, the weather is kind of grayish today. A little bit rain last night on and off, but it's okay, nothing much. Alright guys, see you in the next episode. By the way, just gonna put my stuff. Oh, by the way, good friend of ours give us matured stem for moringa or malunggay, kababayan. Yeah, I'm really looking for it for ages now here in Australia, and kind of one pot, small pot, is still like $20. So good friends of mine, they're local, and found out that they have it. They made it like a tea moringa. She said it's really improving her health, she reckons. Oh well, she said, well, you're Pinay, maybe like the tea. Yeah, I love the moringa. So then they offered to us, they gave us cuttings, 3 cuttings, which is really nice for her. And today that's why I'm gonna remove the zucchini and put this in the banana bag, and I'm gonna put this probably the moringa cuttings from the pots. Alrighty guys, see you later. Thank you. We'll catch up soon. Bye.